Sure. Here's a YouTube video script for your channel Car Reviewpedia, reviewing the 2025 Tricycle Camper. The script is written in a casual, engaging style and is over 500 words. Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, the place where we dive deep into some of the most unique, quirky, and innovative vehicles out there. And today, we've got something that's going to blow your mind. We're reviewing a vehicle that's part motorcycle, part camper. Yes, you heard that right. It's the 2025 Tricycle Camper. Now, this isn't your average bike. This is a three-wheeled, fully equipped mini camper that brings a whole new meaning to compact travel. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a weekend explorer, or someone looking for a unique way to live minimally on the road, this thing might just be your dream machine. Let's start with the design. From the outside, the 2025 Tricycle Camper looks like a futuristic hybrid between a scooter and a teardrop trailer. It's got two wheels at the back for stability and one in the front for steering, and the entire frame has been constructed using lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy. It's aerodynamic, sleek, and surprisingly stylish for something that's meant to double as a home. One of the first things you notice is just how compact it is. We're talking about a total length of under 3 meters. But don't let that small size fool you. Once you park and expand it, you get a surprisingly functional little living space. There's a pop-up roof for extra headroom, and even a mini side awning to create a shaded area outside. It's like a transformer that's been designed for minimalist camping. Inside, the cabin is smartly laid out. There's a single bed that folds out from the side wall, a small but efficient kitchenette with a sink and a portable stove, and even a foldable desk space for working or eating. Storage is built into every nook and cranny, under the floor, behind the walls, even in the ceiling. It's a masterclass in micro-living design. Power-wise, the 2025 Tricycle Camper is fully electric. It's powered by a 10-kilowatt battery, giving you up to 150 kilometers of range on a single charge. That may not sound like a lot for a traditional road trip, but for city exploration or short-distance adventures, it's more than enough. Plus, the battery powers not only the drive system, but also the interior lighting, USB charging ports, and even a tiny fridge. Charging it is easy too. You can plug it into any standard outlet, or use the built-in solar panel on the roof to trickle charge when you're off-grid. And yes, it comes with regenerative braking and a digital dashboard that shows you power usage, battery life, and even camping system controls. One of the coolest things about this camper is the way it merges freedom with efficiency. You can park it in places a regular camper van could never go. Narrow streets, no problem. Urban camping, totally possible. It's lightweight enough to be towed by hand in certain conditions, and maneuverable enough for even the most inexperienced riders. Now let's talk price. The 2025 Tricycle Camper starts at around $9,500. And for what you get, that's a seriously competitive price point. It's cheaper than most motorcycles, and way cheaper than any van conversion. Sure, it's not for everyone. You're not going to take your whole family on a road trip in this, but for solo travelers or minimalist couples, it's a game changer. So what's the verdict? The 2025 Tricycle Camper is one of the most exciting innovations in micro-mobility and nomadic travel. It's compact, eco-friendly, functional, and just plain cool. It redefines what it means to hit the road and gives a whole new generation of travelers a chance to explore without breaking the bank or the environment. Let us know in the comments. Would you try living or traveling in a tricycle camper? Would you buy one? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next wild ride. Thanks for watching Car Reviewpedia. See you on the next review.